Ever wondered why we hiccup? It's all about the diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs. When it suddenly contracts, it causes a quick intake of breath, and that's when the hiccup sound happens. But here's the quirky part. Hiccups might be a leftover from our evolutionary past. Scientists believe they're a reflex from our amphibian ancestors who used to gulp air and water. So next time you hiccup, remember, it's a little echo from millions of years ago.
Like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky facts like this.